On a pipe filled with liquid, we attach probes from an ultrasonic flow meter. When the liquid inside is still the left and right ultrasonic, receivers detect the signals at the same time. Then, when liquid starts flowing downstream, the downstream receiver detects the ultrasonic signal sooner than the upstream receiver. Just like rowing a boat on a river, rowing downstream with the current is faster and easier. Rowing upstream against the flow is slower and more strenuous. This is exactly how the ultrasonic flow meter works. By measuring this time difference in signal reception and knowing the pipe's cross-sectional area, it calculates the liquid's flow rate. We have a portable version of this meter. Measure liquid flow inside a pipe without damaging it. Easy to use. Check out the link below to purchase.